Alright, future millionaires, it's 2025 and the opportunity to make money is much more than ever before. In this video, I'll be sharing top 5 ways to leverage on this year's hottest skills to make yourself some cool cash. I've ranked them from the easiest to the most technical, and at the end of this video, I'll be dropping a tip that will help you get into any of the skills that you want to get into. Let's go. First up on my list is graphics design. Of course, that's the art of making visual art and graphics, making logo designs, making business cards, posters, flyers, social media designs, and all of that. Here is the kicker about graphics design. According to recent reports, the global graphic design market is set to reach over $83 billion by 2030. Yes, you heard me right. $83 billion by 2030, and I can bet you can cut your slice from that. And I can tell you it is easier than ever to get started now. With free tools like Canva that are beginner friendly, you can actually get started, and once you level up, you can get into Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. Right here on this channel, we have a Photoshop full course that can help you get started. So I'm going to leave the link somewhere around this video so that you can get right into it. Now, before I get on to the next one, do you know that freelancers charge from $50 to $200 just for graphic design? Now imagine having 5 of that per month, and that's a good way to start, right? So I think it's something you can get up on right now. Master this skill and you become the go-to person for brands and influencers looking for great visuals. Now, talking about great visuals, they are nothing without movements. That leads us to the next big skill: video editing. As number 2, we have video editing, and as you heard, video is king. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are driving demand for great and engaging visual content. A whopping 91% of businesses use videos for their marketing, and I can tell you they pay handsomely for professional video editors. Imagine charging $200 for a 2-minute video edit, or even more if you add color grading and motion graphics to it. The best part, you can start off with free tools like DaVinci Resolve and scale up to Premiere Pro and CapCut. The gig economy has even made it much better, because platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have a lot of video gigs waiting for you. Once you can tell stories with videos, you're ready to enter the next level, building what people love. That leads us to the third one: coding and development. Now we are getting a little bit technical with coding and development. Coding is the backbone of the modern world. Apps, websites, they run the show in this generation. Here is what you should pay attention to. The software development industry is projected to grow by 22% over the next 5 years. That would create millions of high-paying jobs for developers. You can start with simple languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to get you started. You can use them to build websites for clients and get paid. And the beautiful thing is, right here on this platform, in the next video, we're going to start the coding tutorials for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. From there, we're going to go over to the next ones. But you are here at the right time. If the videos are not yet out, then subscribe to this channel, and once they come out, you can start receiving notifications. That's if you click the bell icon. And if they're already out, you can simply check out our channel and find those videos and watch them and get started already. Once you get started with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, once you get stronger in them, you can begin to get into things like React Native for mobile app development, and Node.js for back-end development. And here's the thing: entry-level developers make from $70,000 to $100,000 entry level. Now, if that doesn't excite you, then I bet the next one will. That leads us to the next skill: Web3 development. Coming in at number 4, Web3 development. Simply put, this is where tech meets innovation. Web3 is the internet of the future, decentralized, powered by the blockchain, and creating opportunities like never before. Jobs in the Web3 space are booming right now, with annual salaries ranging from $120,000 to $200,000.
Oh my God!
Companies and DAOs are hiring developers to build smart contracts, dApps, and NFTs for them. Don't let the technicality scare you. Just get started already. You can start with tools like Solidity. Personally, I started with Solidity, and that is why it's good you are learning JavaScript in this channel. Right? Look for the tutorial on this channel and join in with us on JavaScript. Solidity is totally based on JavaScript, so it's a good place for you to start. And here's the secret: Many Web3 projects are actually open source, which gives you the opportunity to contribute to projects on GitHub and begin to build your portfolio and begin to land jobs in the space. Web3 might power the internet, but it is incomplete without the currency of the future. Talking about crypto. That leads us to the number 5 skill, cryptocurrency. Now, this is more than Bitcoin. This is a revolution in finance. In 2025, the global crypto market is valued at $3 trillion, and opportunities are everywhere: trading, staking, even creating your own tokens. If you want to go into trading or staking or any of these things, one tip I'm going to leave for you is to pay attention to token utilities, right? Don't just invest anyhow. Pay attention to token utilities and the ecosystem that they belong to. The earlier you get in, the better. Now, there is a great opportunity for you in cryptocurrency. It's beyond just trading and staking and all of that. It's about the community. It's about being involved in what's happening in the community. Now, you may think it's very technical. Yes, I can tell you it's technical, but it's not as technical as you think. Just get involved in the community, find an ecosystem, find a community, and be part of it. Be involved in what's happening there. Learn as they teach. Start from somewhere. Don't just dive into anything that you see. Belong to a community and be part of it. I can tell you, within a few months, you will be seeing yourself as a giant in the crypto world, right? You will have a lot of knowledge. Yes, I get the whole jargons can be daunting sometimes, but then I encourage you to get started. The right time to get started in cryptocurrency is now. The right time to get started in crypto is now. It's not tomorrow. Now, I know you feel you are late because it's been there, people have been cashing out on it, but then the right time to enter is now. So get into it. The best part of it is that we have Tech Hive, and it is a Web3 community, and I encourage you to get involved in it. Now, Tech Hive, we are teaching you skills. People moving from Web2, we have put it into consideration. And some people who are in the Web2 space find it difficult to get into Web3. So we start from Web2 skills, and then we push into the Web3 world. So we don't just throw all the jargons at you. So it's a place where you can be comfortable to call yourself a Web2 guy moving into Web3, and within months you'll find yourself very much in the Web3 space. If you want to be part of Tech Hype, I'm going to leave the link in the description for you to join our Telegram and WhatsApp community. You are going to start from there and make waves. So there you have it, 5 powerful ways to make money in 2025. From creative design to Web3 to crypto, there is an opportunity for everyone. If you've been waiting to start, this is it. Future is for those who are willing to learn and take action at the right time. So if you want to make it big 2025, please start learning one of these skills, and if you have one of them, begin to leverage on them. Find yourself in the right community, and I would encourage you get into the Web3 space already. Let me know in the comment section which skill you are diving into first. Now don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I post my next video. Let's make 2025 a year of financial freedom, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.